Hey everyone, welcome back to CivilMix. Are you tired of starting your commercial projects from scratch? Then buckle up, because today we're showcasing a time-saving game changer. A stunning three-storied commercial and residential complex designed entirely in Revit, available for download. The power of pre-made Revit models. Let's face it, building a complex model in Revit takes time. Walls, doors, windows, it all adds up. But what if you could skip to the fun part? This pre-made model comes with everything you need to jumpstart your next project. Imagine pre-placed furniture, pre-built families, and a meticulously designed layout all ready to customize. Explore the commercial and residential complex. Now, let's explore this beauty. The front building is a bustling three-storied shopping complex, featuring spacious shop spaces on the ground floor, perfect for a variety of retail businesses. Ascend to the second and third floors for even more retail opportunities. Imagine a vibrant mall with everything from boutiques to cafes. Behind the shopping complex is a three-storied residential apartment building. Each floor boasts well-designed apartments that promise comfort and luxury. With modern, open floor plans, spacious living areas, cozy bedrooms, and well-equipped bathrooms, these apartments ensure ample natural light and ventilation, creating the perfect living environment for families and professionals alike. This feature-packed Revit model is more than just a pretty design. It's a springboard for your creativity. With a few clicks, you can customize everything from shop layouts to apartment interiors, making it your own unique masterpiece. Become a CivilMix patron and unlock a design vault. This commercial residential complex model is just a taste of what you get as a CivilMix patron. We're talking a massive library of Revit families and tons of pre-designed models, all exceeding 10 gigabytes of downloadable content. It's like a one-stop shop to supercharge your Revit workflow. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to streamline your workflow and bring your dream commercial residential project to life faster. Remember, becoming a CivilMix patron gives you access to this detailed, complex model, a treasure trove of Revit families and models, and much more. Head down to the description box below to join our Patreon community and unlock a world of design possibilities. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more Revit tips, tricks, and time-saving resources, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy designing.